Check one, check two. Check one, check two. Cool. All right, guys, we're working on AI programming today. We're programming with AI game making while we eat cheese and crackers like a child, because I love cheese and crackers. I'll spare you the really horrific part where I lick this clean. I'll spare you the there. Oh, wow, that's cool. So could be structure and make an informed decision. What all did it change in here? It seems like it changed actually quite a bit. So I have this README file right here, and I'm telling it, evaluate the issues in the list and decide which one is easiest to implement. Pick a single issue to implement, then do it. So this is my development process where I'm trying to get Cursor to write everything for me. I'm using Claude Sonnet 3.7, and I'm using it in agent mode, which means it's taking extra time to think of stuff. So this is using up my premium credits on Cursor, but the upside is that I don't have to program today. So it checks through and it finally says, I've identified the issues and their complexity. Mouse behavior, the mouse control stops working, giant orange moon, animated bonfire. The easiest to implement is the giant orange moon on the horizon. Let's make this change. And then it proceeds to make a whole bunch of changes. And I want to reject so that I can understand what happened here. Yeah, so like I have to be careful about how it changes things, because if it makes multiple changes at once, it's hard to capture them and be able to roll back. So I'm going to blow this away. And then watch, I'm going to I'll keep the Python web server open, although I don't really care about it. I actually liked the Node.js one we had working better. Okay, cool. Here we are. So it made this orange moon, and I like it, but I'm not sure if it's big enough. I think I want it to actually be bigger. So I'm going to go back in here. And see, I have this README, so it should have bonfires burning. The mouse behavior is broken. I'm going to change this from bugs and features. So mouse behavior is insufficient. That's a bug. FPS counter is not working. That's a bug. Yeah, moon should be the only light source. I don't know if that's a feature or a bug. And then I'm going to modify the README here. So let me whip this. So evaluate the issues on the list and decide which is easiest to implement. Pick a single issue to implement and then do it. Prioritize bugs over new features. Okay, so watch. When I ask it to do this, it starts scanning through the files and familiarizing itself with everything, because I started a whole new context window. Let's see if I can get out of this little valley here. It's going deeper. See that z-axis? It's going deeper. Wow. Oh, you know, y and z are still switched, I think. Yeah, I think the y and z axis are still switched. Because I'm supposed to okay. Let's see if it goes back up this hill. It didn't go back up the hill. While it's doing everything, I'm going to say camera is not following terrain. In debug window, I want X and Y to be directional and Z to be height. Add that one too. All right, so let's see which one it fixed. It says here, among these issues, the FPS counter seems to be the easiest to fix. Let's do it. So what all did it change? Yeah, just changed that one, just this one-liner. It's just a one-liner fix. Let's accept it and see if that makes our FPS work suddenly. Oh yeah, see, now our FPS is working. That's nice. I like that. Okay, so we fixed the FPS issue. Going back into the README, we're gonna say the FPS counter is not working. That one's fixed. FPS fix. All right, now we're gonna open this again. Go back up to the top again. Take this, new chat. New chat. And I'm going to say evaluate the issues. It's just the same copy paste as before. Yeah, this is cool. See, it is kind of going over the mountains a little bit, but then gets a little lost from time to time. See what it picked next. check it out. Well, that's better. That's better. I'm going to say turn mouse pointer off when over viewport. Replace with a little centered crosshair. That'll be one of the features we add. So we're going to say mouse fix. Cool. Now I'm going to take this again, open up new window, go again. Yeah, so this is cool. Okay, looks like it fixed the debug window. Let's see what it did. Yeah, so it looks like it swapped those two. That's good. I like that. And then down here, I don't need those changes that it made. I don't think so. Yeah, just added. That's going to add too much to the debugging window. So see what this does. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Now Z is correct. Yeah, and actually I'm going to tell it here make this mono spaced. Actually, get rid of that. I'm going to go in here to the CSS debug panel, I'm going to say font family monospaced. Just do it that way. There we go. Yeah. And then I want this to be like maybe like two digits padded or something like that. So see if I can get it to pad it.